Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today on dated 11th of June 2021, our class is 10th, subject is physics and topic is electricity. Today's subtopic is Ohm's law, which we have already read in on 10th of June. But we will carry this Ohm's law that the current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across its ends. If I is the current, V is the potential difference, across the ends of a conductor, then according to Ohm's law, we can say here E is directly proportional to I. That means potential difference is directly proportional to the current flowing through a conductor across its ends, or V is equal to Ri, where R is the resistance, of a conductor. We can say the value of this constant depends upon the nature of the conductor, length of the conductor, and area of cross section and temperature of the conductor. That means we can say V is equal to Ri, or we can say R is equal to V by I, or we can say I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. That means the current is directly proportional. First, the current is directly proportional to the potential difference. Current is directly proportional to the potential difference. Second, and current is inversely proportional to the resistance of a conductor. Or we can say if the potential difference across the ends of a conductor is doubled, the current is doubled. अगर इस पोटेंशियल में across the ends of a conductor is double, अगर इस current का double, then as one of these uses current in which potential difference across the ends of a conductor is double. अगर potential difference is double करो, तो current is also doubled. If potential difference is halved, अगर ये half करो, halved, then current is also halved. If we will take the resistance, if resistance is doubled, the current gets hollowed, and if the resistance is hollowed, if the resistance is hollowed, the current gets doubled. The current gets doubled. We can see today resistance of a conductor. Resistance of a conductor. The property of a conductor due to which the flow of current is called resistance. The resistance of a conductor is numerically equal to the ratio of potential difference across. The resistance of a conductor is numerically equal to the ratio of the potential difference across the ends of the current flowing through it. That is, we can say R is equal to V by I, while R is the resistance, V is the potential difference, and I is the current. The SI unit of resistance is ohm. The symbol of ohm is this. V by I is equal to R. We can say if the potential difference is 1 volt, if the potential difference is 1 volt and the current is 1 ampere, then resistance R in the above equation is ohm. Then we can say one ohm R is equal to V by I. 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt bata 1 ampere. If 1 ohm of the resistance of a conductor such that when potential difference of 1 volt is applied to the ends of a current of 1 ampere flowing through it, This is regarding the resistance of a conductor.